Running low on ElevenLabs credits? In this video, I'll show you how to get more credits on ElevenLabs and add extra credits to your account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the ElevenLabs website. Now sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile, then select the subscription option from the drop-down menu. Here, you can view your current plan, available credits, and credit usage. If you need more credits, you can upgrade to a higher subscription plan. ElevenLabs offers different plans with different monthly credit limits. To upgrade your plan, simply select the plan you want and click the upgrade button. Now, choose between continue yearly or continue monthly depending on your preference. Next, enter your payment method and billing address, then click the subscribe button. After that, your subscription will be upgraded and the additional credits will be added to your account along with your current credits according to the plan's terms. Once you've added more credits, you can continue generating voiceovers and other content on ElevenLabs. And that's it.